doing? I am doing fairly well. I am so excited to bring you this vlog. About 4 weeks ago now, I went to stay with a good friend and she introduced me to some makeup. We were gonna take some photos of me in some clothes and do like a Halloweenish theme take to them. And she's like, I have some perfect makeup for this. She's like, maybe you'll like it and get into it as well. And I was like, okay, let's check it out. So she brought this makeup out and she showed it to me and I was like, oh my gosh, this is the coolest packaging to makeup I have ever seen in my life. And she's like, yeah, right? And I was like, for sure. And so then it got time for me to use it and I used the makeup and I was blown away. For me, something so important in makeup is when it does not leave the area it should be on. For me, eyeshadow is the most important part of my makeup game because for me, I wear glasses. So I'm able to wear a little bit more eyeshadow and a bigger eye than a lot of people because you can see my eyes behind my glasses. And that is the intent of every eye look that I do, is that you can see them even though I'm wearing glasses. I don't want to spend a lot of time on my eyes and you not see them. So when I do my eyes, I go big or I go home. Or I'm staying home, rather, I should say. And so there is that factor. But a lot of times with a lot of palettes and a lot of even expensive brands that I've tried, the eyeshadow does not stay where it should stay. It crumbles. It ends up in a puddle on my cheeks. And, you know, it just wears off whatnot throughout the day. But I had this makeup on for like 2 outfit changes and then like dinner and hanging out in front of the TV until I went to bed at like 4 in the morning and it still looked perfect. So like I really got to try it out before I like may have automatically bought some before I went to sleep that night. So now that I'm home, my box has come. I have it and I have used the makeup on my face today, and I also will be inserting the pictures from the photo shoot that I did with my friend at the end. I loved doing the makeup. I wanted to look creepy. I wanted to look a little bit dead. So those will be at the end and you'll be able to see those as well. For now, let me introduce you to Lunatick Cosmetic Labs. This is their packaging. This comes in the mail. You receive it just like this, but it's, you know, taped and put together, obviously. I flipped out when I saw this. I was like, oh my god, this is literally the coolest package I have ever received in the mail. I opened it as carefully as I could because I have Halloween plans for this. You open it up and it says thank you, and it has little hand skeletons, and then this is what you see. Now this was so lovely done, and I just put it back together. I am not talented in that manner. But you get a, so this is on top. It's a solitude card, and then you get Bewitching Beautiful for the Everyday Ghoul, lunaticlabs.com. And then it has black bubble wrap. I will be enjoying that later. Some of my friends want me to do an ASMR video doing that. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But, so yeah. So then it is like this. You get a little brain and you twist it. I'm weak. And it opens. And you can put your like medicine and travel in it, or some money, or whatever you want to do with it, you can do it. So the first thing I got was a lipstick, and it comes in this pretty packaging, if you can see. And I love this so much. I love the bullet. It just says Lunatick Cosmetic Labs around the bottom. Please forgive me. I sound so bad because my asthma is so horrible. I'm not sick or anything. And I use this, and this is what is on my lips. Look at this color. So I'm gonna get close to the camera. This is beautiful, right? I'll even... And it smells so good. I mean, it smells amazing. I love this color. So yummy. Oh, and if you want to know what this is called, I will be putting it across the screen. And I am so bad at saying names that are put together, but this is like Lacrimosa. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I will be putting it on the screen. Now, the next thing I purchased, and it come in paper, is the Mystifying Mattifying High Definition Microfinished Pressed Powder. And you haven't even begun to see this packaging. Look at this. Okay, so I'm going to put it back here so you can see it. I'll turn it around. So, now, took me forever to remember, but you just hold the back of it and just slip that over. So it's like this. This powder, it's so, like, you can't, it's so translucent. This is what I have on my face right now. It feels like nothing's there, but yet it holds everything in place. I am like so done with every other translucent powder. This is amazing. I love the way it feels on my face, and the fact that it is cruelty free and vegan just makes it like 100% better. I love this. I've been looking for something like this for so long, and it's just not been there. And I can't believe that I finally found something that works for my skin. And I have no dry spots. It's not picking up on it. It just covers, and it just looks beautiful. My skin looks like porcelain, and I love it. I'm so happy with that. So then the next thing I purchased was the 2 eyeshadows that I use. And when you buy them separately, they come in these little palettes. These are so cute. They're just magnets, and you pull up the top, and it has a little bee. Isn't that adorable? And that's a little rose. and this is the black shade. So this shade is called Ruins. It is a beautiful black. And it just shuts back together like that. And this color, I believe, is Red Rum. I love this shade so much. It is like a bricky red. It's so beautiful. I didn't go as dark as I could with that today, but look at that. I love that. So those are my two eyeshadows. And then, oh my gosh, I was so surprised and so amazed. I was gifted some lip products. These are called Lunatick Cosmetic Lab Liquid Lipsticks. Oh my god, I was so surprised. So thank you so much, Lunatick Labs, for gifting me these liquid lipsticks. These are so beautiful. I cannot wait to try them. I am going to get a tissue, and I decided that I am going to, so I am going to try, I think I am going to try this one because I know for a fact that I want this one. I can't decide which of the other ones that I want and which ones. So I've decided to give at least 2 away as a gift to you viewers. But I haven't decided which 2, maybe 3 that I'm going to give away. So once I decide which ones I'm going to keep, so that I don't, put my mouth on them, I have to do some checking in. Okay, people? Okay, so I'm going to take my lipstick off. And then I'm going to try Succubus. I am not good with pronunciations, so forgive me. Well, with a shaky hand, I didn't do too bad putting that on. So that is Succubus. That is Succubus. That is Succubus. Succubus. That is Succubus. That is Succubus. So that is Succubus. I did pretty good putting it on, considering all things. I love this color. I love that it tastes like peppermint. Oh my god, do they all taste like that? That is a divine. This is an Evie color. Definitely an Evie color. I will be keeping that. So let me show you the rest of the colors. They are so pretty. Let me get them all open. So we have three purples in the bunch. We have Grave Heart. This is Grave Heart. We have London Bridge. It's a lighter. All things English is kind of not my style right now. We have Paranormal. We have Renegade. And we have Coven cream. So those are the colors. I really like the dark purple and Coven cream, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna do a little research and see what they look like on some other chicks, and see what will look good with my future looks that I want to do, and see which ones I want to keep. So then we will do us a giveaway. So I'll give a giveaway, and 3 of you will win a color from me and Lunatick Cosmetic Labs for your very own. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned on my Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Remember, be your own beauty.